mema akwaba edeba kasa emfoni afidi a yefe na Adom TV so dwumade we ye Nkuranhyɛ na me am tidwo mu amede ho chia me edi amye so eye ni tekotego me da asese wo de afidi ato a ene ye betwa na montuo bi ahwewi ase abrabo se de ebo no fa yefe no the capital of life abrabo ne sombo ema yen ye ka capital ase wo ko ye adwuma bakopesi kapudu so de adwuma na ase wo fe no your capital enti abrabo so wo nya capital wo nya bibia ro ha ase. We wake up every day for a reason. We don't just wake up. We wake up to make meaning of our lives and to bring meaning to the life of others. And a pebia was sodia. The entire was sorry ne say wabrabo benyanchira siene and faswo. Now would be assign obi. That's the reason you wake up. You wake up to find meaning for your life and also to add value to the life of others. So we don't just wake up in the morning, just to walk around, just to eat. Yen sore keke. De ntia wo Nyankopon ema ya adechi bia kire se obibi asese ye de abrabo ye. Every day we are supposed to add something to our lives and to the lives of others. Fane ye sikasemu, ye dwumam, ya wadiemu, ya pomodnimu, ye mfie ne amro no so. We're supposed to add something to life, to our own lives, to the life of others. We go through what we go through as a part of the program and preparation to make us become greater and better. And you my family abrabo mu nyina no eto ye se ye be sua de afiri mu na hyehyɛ abrabo yetimi ade bubra e wo daache emu ene nea wo be famu eno anea wo famu no enye mu na betena bosobo. How be a unya ye no e by se ubenya no ye na de abubraba. You can the the best place to build a business is around a problem. The best place to build your problem, to build a business or profit, is around a problem. Baby, I see a sin kunya near penkoso empo ye pe abrabo ano eye edro kese pa any baby or how ewo. One is abrabo or how betua yensu or how ba said a bear benya anu ye ni anu edro na watimatin timu na empo amo aka wako anim abiri biara or how beba anim no na watimatin tim epa or how no edro na etimi pejaw ti ababa yeboy enya betesa awari enya betesa apomudini kura enya betesa empo adwuma ena fom ne akofa bibia bia no or how wo apindie wo ahwase wo from so wom empo sabe won sabe si from baabi ni nyina eba kosi se ebe kira kwa betumi afa so abubra no abraba ayeye. Life successes are created when we solve our problems. Life successes are created when we unlock the challenges and create opportunities for our growth. Abrabo ye boy enkunimdie enyina so ene nioma ye gina no epa no aduro. Abrabo ye boy yenkunim die egina so eba na yesika semu ya dwumam ya pomodne ya wadem ne adesua mu no nyina so ene se ye hu challenge ne afifi mu ape opportunity wom se me so meyie na wasemu ayi abrabo eni ho ema woni wa yemre abrabo eni ho ema sebe woni a wodi ani ha abrabo eni ho sebe ede masebe nkwase asem abrabo egina ho ma nyansafo abrabo egina ho ma woni a wa akuduro obetime gina wona so apenya nsa adware wona adwene na wabubura ene bebubura baba yebu eni ho ema woni asabi da bia wotwa asu ababa eni ho ma woni ada bia wonwiinwi ena mi kurumpemi ena mi ira mi se dabi jai na hunu ni awo fam bia se eka brabo ho enti na beto wo no enti nyina mu nsu enyina mu ni apinie enyina mu embobo yoma ho gina mu na bisa se kwan ben so na mefa. Why do you think Christ became so popular? To the extent that today people are using his name to make business. Adem nema Yesu ene ye kasa ni dia ka nipa no mu ya ene na mafo bi ede ni dia business a odi jisika won krofo da krofo ede jisika kase. Yesu oye popular esan say or solve problems. Christ became popular because he was a problem solver. Meboa. Ebi yare no asa na yare, obi ene afra no wayi afro, accommodate nkrofo no command brodo be mpimpim, ose munni obi wi ose wanyane no. Saa nyoma no woyo ye na ema sabinidi eka nipa num. Eno nti onipa bia ye bo seba brabom, identify one particular problem in your life. Identify one particular problem in your family. Identify one particular problem in your nation. Identify a problem in your marriage and solve it. That is the only way you can leave a mark in the hearts and minds of people. Ya mase be didi akọ party say be afa man member. No. Life rewards problem solvers. What am I saying? Life reward problem solvers. The amount and the size of the problem you solve determines the size of your rewards. Oko kraswa dey ma 1 + 1 is small problem. But ako university is more problem mu oduo na we ase wanya degree. So the size of your problem determines the size of your rewards. Stop complaining when there are problems. Stop murmuring and stop worrying, and rather sit back and find out what is in this problem that I can solve to make my life better. Abrabo awubue ensembeto to be enkoyie jai se wusu jai se wo bosobo na ka kire won se e de na meye ne dai na mepaja me ho afiri ahwase mu agina ho brane gira ho na mbeja ha na me de nkra kese ama se me kwa ne sa edi am jeso eye apostle Dr. Nita Kotegu me da se onya amre hwe me me da Adom TV adwumafo nyina ase titire me nua be ma Thomas ni ade na eja Welbeck ampadu na sound ni camera fo nyina me do bi ase me nyankwa bedwa madwuma die akire to se menko woni onyame entina